Hi all. Today I'll be discussing about the Chat GPT 3. First we should know like what is GPT. So it's a generative pre-trained transformer. So transformer is like a deep learning model. Okay, and it's a language model. So it is trained on a very like huge amount of data. It has almost like 175 billion parameters on which it is trained. uh, it's quite impossible for someone like individually train this model, and it requires like almost 800 GB of storage. Okay, so it's quite a huge model, and it's like tremendous how OpenAI is able to deploy it, and people can request like responses from ChatGPT 3, and it is able to respond within few seconds. So the latency is is commendable. Okay, so I'll just show you a hands-on what chat gpt can do. So let's just go to so you can go to chat.openai.com/chat. You can log in using your like Gmail ID. Okay, for now it's free, but it has opened a waiting list. Very recently I've seen people are not getting like free accounts, and soon when we get chat gpt 4, which is I think approximately on 100 trillion parameters. Okay, so it's quite a huge model. Okay, so for that model it is going to be a paid service. That is the rumor around it. Okay, so on ChatGPT, it's not connected to internet, but it is trained on quite a huge amount of data, and you can actually ask anything from ChatGPT. Let's say I'll say, give me a data science roadmap for 2023. So you can see within few seconds it has started generating like what you should know in order to become a data scientist. Okay, it is not just limited to languages. It can also program for you if you have a very let's say a problem statement at hand. Okay, so let's say if I want to compare machine learning models using Python. So I can just say, give me a Python script to compare multiple classification models. And you can see it has started generating code, which will not give you the exact code which you need, but it will do more or less like 80 to 90% of job for you. And you just have to maybe your data is not in the right shape. You just have to spend some time on data pre-processing. If you can formulate a question around that also, I think you're good to go. You can straight away use this code. Okay, so this is what chat gpt can do for you. You can think of any possible scenarios which you can frame into text, and chat gpt is good to go. It is not yet connected to internet, but I suspect like gpt 4 version will have internet access, and it is for me I think it is the biggest threat for google also. Okay, so that's about it. Thanks guys for watching. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.